Winter. Don't you just love the snow? And the relaxation of starting fresh and being in a new year? Wrong. Boring. Hi, I'm Briyana Brown, here with the Blueprint News at Downsville South High School, here to give you the inside scoop. January is when seniors start planning out one of the biggest events in American society, prom. Downers Grove South Prom, Saturday, April 27, 2024, one of the most important nights for seniors at South High School. Prom is one of the most important formal dances held for only seniors. Senior Kaylin Phillips is also very excited for prom.
I've been looking forward to this since my freshman year pretty much, just because it gives me a chance to dress up and get really fancy and cute and pretty much just be the princess that younger me always wanted and dreamed of being. I just remember a lot as a little girl, and even now not seeing a lot of black girls dress up and just be in that light of being seen as a princess ever, besides Princess Tiana, obviously. But then when I see a lot of black girls get dressed up for prom, it just made me believe I could be pretty.
Prom is the one out of year where you can wear whatever you want. And I mean whatever you want. Now, I'm not saying go in a bunny costume or anything, but the dress or the suit is very important. Designing the dress and getting it made, getting it fitted to see if you like it, to see if it matches your hair, to see if it matches your nails. The color scheme has to be perfect. Your man has to wear the perfect color as well. Just basically going the extra mile. It's so much work. There could be a whole range of different designs of dresses though. Phillips is designing her own gown this year.
This year, I am designing my own prom dress, and that means a lot to me because I want to be a fashion designer. When I graduate college, that's what I'm getting my degree for. So to see my own design come to life and I get to model my own design and show it off to people, especially people I go to school with, that just means so much more to me. And it's just I feel like that heals my inner child at the end of the day. What inspired my dress? I'm going to be honest. It was a movie I used to watch a lot growing up called Coming to America with the bride, and she was supposed to marry Eddie Murphy. She just had this beautiful gold dress with the long train on it. She had the hair with the gold accessories, and I was like, wow, that's what I want to look like.
Just like in the beloved High School Musical 3, prom is going to be a night to remember. Senior Lanaya Huddles thinks the same as well.
Prom to me is like a last hurrah with your classmates before you take on adulthood and leave to go towards the real world. It's probably the last time you see any of your classmates. It's like a celebration from what you've been through for these last 4 years of high school. It's an end of an era, a mark of something new. I'm excited about prom because I'm excited to see all my classmates, especially my friends, dressed up. And I'm also excited to just be a normal girl and just be all dressed up in glitz and glam.
At the end of it all, seniors enjoy their final dance together before they walk across the stage. Although we might not have kings and queens at DGS, just remember, you all are the prize. And we're all in this together. Briyana Brown, signing out.